What's up, everybody? It is your main man T with Arizona Riders Club. I am out here doing some test driving, checking out a couple vehicles. We are in a Cadillac SRX. Let's see, what year is this? 2012. Pretty sturdy, man. Not bad at all. I'm digging the entertainment system. Info path, you know I love those consoles. Give me a quick second. I'm gonna get this thing parked so we can talk for a quick sec. All leather interior, no wood grain. I'm a little disappointed by that, but as usual, we're gonna get into this for a quick sec. All right, so take a look at that console. All digital, looking good. You got the, what is it, about 8-inch LCD screen, touch screen, Navo, infotainment, entertainment, sound, navigation, CD on it. Who use CD players, but just in case. AC's blowing cool. That sunroof looks amazing. Check this out. All the way back. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Boom. Yeah, man, I'm really interested in this one. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna check out the rest of this bad boy, get into the guts. Look at the interior though. All leather, black, panel stitching, patent leather. Not bad, right? Maybe get this for, try to quick flip. We do have some lights. We got the check engine light as well as the suspension light on. But, you know, for the right price, it can go down. You know what I'm saying. Looks like that rear right tire needs some air. That's the cool thing about this information system that I really like. Give me a quick second. I'll get into this. Okay, there we go. Hold on, that's cute. It's not what I'm looking for. Alright. Tiny bit of wood on this thing right here. If you can see it. That ashtray is jacked. I have to get that. But yeah, it looks good, man. Y'all know, little accent of some wood on the door panel. So overall, really nice vehicle. Kind of curious on how much it's gonna go for, but if I do decide to try to snap this thing up, we are going to put it up on the rack, get everything fixed up, and then get it on the lot, man. So you know what it is. Do me a huge favor, hit the like button, share the video, and please subscribe. It's T with Arizona Riders Club. Ride with us.